So today I'm going to show you how to make Wingstop ranch using only 3 ingredients, and I'm also going to share with you why I get so fired up. Am I passionate? I'm going to share with you why I'm so passionate talking about narcissism and bringing awareness to it, because I truly believe that there are people walking amongst us that are truly causing us harm and we don't even know it. So for the Wingstop ranch, you only need 3 things. You're going to need 1.5 cups of buttermilk. You can use any mayo, but the one that I've noticed that tastes the best and more authentic is like this one. It's like a limey mayo. It gives it that tang that is iconic for Wingstop. And you also need 2 ranch packets. It has to be the restaurant style dressing mix. It's me, not you, oh babe, I promise. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the mayonesa. Anyways, I like this book, but they're so a narcissist. In the book, the author Lydi uses the frog and the boiling water metaphor to describe how easy it is to slip into narcissistic relationships. She explains that if you were to drop a frog in boiling water, it would recognize that the water is hot and immediately jump away. Similarly, we would do the same and try to avoid anyone we can immediately tell is toxic or harmful. However, if the water were to start off cold and slowly heat up, the frog wouldn't know it's in danger until it's too late. In the same way, we wouldn't recognize that we're in a narcissistic relationship because the manipulation and control happens slowly over time, making it harder to recognize the damage that they've caused until it's too late. Right now, we're living in an era where everybody's so anxious and depressed because we're living in a world where covert narcissists are among us. They make us feel like we're the problem when in reality it's them. That's why I feel so passionate to help everyone wake up and see the world for what it really is and people for who they really are. No amount of therapy is going to fix the fact that we're still allowing people who are not good to us tell us how we should live our life and what reality to live in. It's not enough to just know who and what a narcissist looks like. We have to start distancing ourselves from them so that we can start figuring out who we are, start believing in ourselves, and achieve more than what we've been told is possible. And that's how you make Wingstop ranch. See you in the next one. Bye.